In this video, I'm going to show you dumbbell scaption. For the position, you may sit or stand. If you're sitting, then sit with your feet under the shoulders, and if you're standing, feet are shoulder width apart. Movements are raise your arms up with a slightly flex your elbow and to the sides at a 45-degree angle. Tempo. When you lift, count 1, 2, a little bit faster, pause 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly lower down the dumbbell. Breath is always important. You may inhale, rise, and pause up there. Exhale to return. Sets are also varies. You may do 3 to 4 sets with 8 to 12 reps, and volume are once again, if you are used to it, you may start with 5 kg, and if you are a beginner, you always start with the low.